Hi everyone, from the last few months I am facing this issue with the Nvidia updates. Whenever I download the update and try to install it directly from the app itself, I'm getting the error installation can't continue and error occurred. So I tried custom installation as well as express installation as well. In both the cases I'm getting the same error. So recently I found a workaround how you can download the same update and install it directly on your laptop without any errors. So if you are facing the same issue on your laptop as well or desktop, please watch this video till the end. I think it will definitely help you to resolve this issue. Before starting the video, I have a small request. After watching, if you think the video was helpful and it was worth your time, then please do like the video and subscribe the channel. It will help the video to reach to maximum number of people and also will help the channel to grow. So let's start the video now. So at first, let's quickly see the issue at first, then we'll move to the solution or workaround. So I've opened GeForce experience. Okay, so let's go to the drivers tab. So this is the latest driver version 572.70 that I've downloaded recently. So you can see the date 3052025. So let's try the installation now. I'll click on the express installation. So let's see, it's preparing to install. So see, the error came. Okay, installation can continue and error occurred. So this is the issue. Now to solve the issue, you have to go to this directory. Okay, so program data, then Nvidia Corporation, then downloader. Okay, so I'll go to the C drive. Okay, so at first you have to enable this option or you will not able to view those folders. Okay, so this is the one. At first let's go to program data, then Nvidia Corporation, and then downloader. Okay, so this is the directory you have to go. So here you can see 572.70 version. Okay, so here also let's verify it, 572.70. Okay, so now let's try to install this from here. Okay, so let's do it now. I'll click on OK. So it has started the process. And one more thing, I'll close this one because we are installing the driver. So you can see it started. Okay, I'll agree and continue. I'll do the express one. Let's see now if it's giving that error or not. So it's currently preparing for install. So it started installing. So the installation completed without any errors. So after that I've opened the GeForce experience just to validate. Okay, so let's go to the drivers tab, and here you can see you have the latest GeForce game ready driver. So the version is 572.70. So it is successfully installed now. So that's it. It's very easy, right? Please do try this out and let me know in the comment section. And if you face any issue related to laptops or mobile phones, just mention that on the comment section and I'll try my level best to answer those. So that's it for today. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel so that you get notifications when I bring such content for you. We'll meet again very soon. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.